Good morning, what's going on? Welcome to my channel Kedar's Fun and Fitness. I know it's been like 4 months, there is not even a single video which has been uploaded. But I was at home, so now with the unlock, I'm getting an opportunity to get out. So check my last video, that was something based on which kind of workouts we can do at home. But now, as we are opening up the lockdown, we will have opportunity to get out of the house. We have recently relocated to Madhurwada, and it's a quite peaceful locality here. Roads are empty. It's close to 5:30 in the morning. Sun is already about to come up. It's early morning dawn, and I'll show you how this area looks. This is the exit of our lane, and if I want to give you a view, that's our building here. This is our apartment, and this is our lane. You're walking towards main road. Main road traffic also is decent. It's, as I told you, it's 5:30 in the morning, so very less vehicles on road. You can see walkers from far distance, and this is the reason we shifted to this locality, because you have a lot of space, it's not congested, and little shops here which can give you small needs such as biscuits, tea, and some Indian breakfast. And these are housing apartments, barren land. I think it's already sold off. The target of count of steps is still the same. Wait a minute, let me show you something very phenomenal. Look at this. A herd of cows gazing around. So that was pretty interesting view. You normally don't get to see cows gazing in your nearby Vincity. I really don't know why the camera is like this. Okay, so I have to hold the camera like this because the sun is on the other side, and because of which we have some lighting issues on our video. So I was telling you about the target steps was 10,000 again, as we started our daily workout. This is another main road which is at a T junction, almost 300 meters away from our residential building. As you can see, there are no people around, so it's quite safe to go for a morning walk. The distance is also maintained. There's a lot of gap between walkers, so it's quite safe. Yeah, there are multiple theories on wearing mask while doing morning walks or jogging. I really don't know which one to follow. One theory says that it is very risky because it's stop your oxygen flow, which I believe it's true. Another theory tells us about coronavirus being able to sustain in open air for close to 1 hour. So these two theories both are correct. Don't know which one to follow. Quite confusing. Yeah, so we were discussing about the targets. The daily target still remains 10,000 step. But if you have a gap like me, 3 months or 4 months, you never stepped out of your house, and now it's becoming difficult to go ahead and achieve your 10,000 steps. Yes, it will be very tiring. Your knees will hurt again because you will be back to square one. But nothing to worry. I started 3 days back. First day I did 3,000 steps. The following day I did 5,000 steps. Yesterday I did 7,000. Today I'm targeting to complete 10k in the morning walk itself. Yesterday I finished 10k target, but not during the morning walk. It was complete day's walk. Apart from that, I have restricted my diet as well. My diet contains a heavy breakfast because now I am doing night shift, so I have to stay awake. My shift timing is 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. local India time. I'm supporting a US business, so That's my work timing. So 4:30 in the morning I started working out at home, did some crunches and 2 to 3 sets of dumbbells. I normally take 7 kg dumbbell, which is 3.5 at one side, 3.5 on another disc. So it's 7 kgs total weight, and I did 3 repetitions of 12 3 sets of 12 repetitions. Sorry, my bad. That's what I did. And 5:30 in the morning I stepped out of the house, and right now doing morning walk. Let's see if we can finish 10k steps today. Look at the surrounding here. It's all green everywhere, bunch of empty spaces, trees right next to the mountain, which is covering up the sun for now. So it's quite a lengthy road. Yesterday we came here, but we turned from this point on. Today I can see it goes for a big climb. I can show you that. Just give me a minute. Can you see that climb? So this road ends in a climb. Let's try that out today. It will help us burning more calories. From here you get a nice view of entire Madhurwada township. This is a small suburb of Visakhapatnam, situated amongst the hillside of Visakhapatnam, and that's where Visakhapatnam Cricket Stadium is there. I never thought that stadium lights also can be seen from here. It's quite decent view. Plots are already plotted for new upcoming construction. Nice locality to walk. Continuously now I have to keep on switching the sides on the road to avoid people crossing me. As we know, most of them have their mouth covered, but it is understood that it's very difficult to do any kind of exercise without a proper respiration. So people tend to remove their mask, and if they'll end up sneezing, it will affect everyone. So I have to keep a safe distance from all these elements. I think this is a skating club, and a few kids doing skating. Nice to see young kids doing skating. They have blocked the entire traffic, and that's how they do it. I can see one young boy trying to skate. Let's have a look at him. Okay, he's struggling, but he's somehow trying to do it. So I was telling you about my diet. I made some changes in my diet due to my shift timing. I eat proper meal only once in a day. That is early in the morning. That's my breakfast. Apart from that, I have nothing in the afternoon. I go to bed somewhere around 11 to 11:30 in the morning and get up directly at 5:30. Start my shift at 6 o'clock. Have my dinner, which is salads like cucumber, carrot, or some boiled vegetables around 9 p.m. India time. And then again I start working. In late night, somewhere around 1:30, 2 o'clock, if I'm hungry, I cut one carrot or a cucumber and eat it straight, raw. I put on weight when I stopped walking. Before lockdown, I was at 92 kgs. During this entire lockdown period, I climbed up to 97. In last 4 days, it is surprising that I have again reached 95.3, 2-3 kgs higher, but definitely it's easily burnable fat, what we can say in a layman's language. With the diet and these workouts, I'm sure I'll be able to burn that weight. So don't get disappointed or don't lose hope. if you have put on weight during this lockdown. It's very easy. Again, come back to your normal routine. In first 2 or 3 days itself, you'll start seeing the result like me. So I'm done with almost 2600 steps. Time to end this video and get into some serious walking. I have miles to cover in morning. 2-3 things key learning from this video I would like to summarize in short. First and foremost thing, try to relocate to area which is more spacious, not so many people around, so that you can go out for walks in your streets and keep yourself fit and healthy. Control your diet. Have only one time proper meal. That is which is helping me out. I'm not saying that I'm a dietitian or something which I can recommend to you, but what I follow is have one time meal. Second meal should be salads, and that's all. 2 meals a day should give you a good amount of results. During the lockdown, if you have put on a lot of weight, don't worry. 4-5 kgs weight increase in 3 to 4 months is quite normal. It happens to everyone. It has happened to me. But in 3 days I have lost 3 kgs. 2-3 more days and I'll come back to the normal stage. So don't get disappointed. Keep on working at home and stay fit and keep walking. Remember, the target is 10k steps. Bye now.